Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Rosmi, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun.
Hey everyone, it's so good to have you with us again. We have another useful English conversation waiting for you today.
We do, and today we're focusing on four tiny English words that can completely change the way you sound when you speak.
Tiny words,
Very tiny words.
but very powerful words.
Exactly. We're talking about can, could, should, and might.
These four words seem easy when you see them in a grammar book.
But when you're actually talking to someone, they can suddenly become confusing.
Especially when you want to sound polite.
Yes, you know what you want to say, but you're thinking, should I say can, could, maybe should? Wait, what about might?
And by the time you decide, the conversation has already moved on.
Exactly.
So today, we're going to make these words much easier.
We'll show you how to use them in real situations like making plans, asking for help, giving advice, talking about possibilities, and making friendly suggestions.
And we're not going to sit here and give you a boring grammar lecture.
Absolutely not.
We're going to learn them through natural conversations.
So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's start speaking more naturally in English.
Rose, let's start with can. Why is can so useful?
Because can is one of the easiest ways to talk about ability, possibility, or permission.
So if I say I can swim, I'm talking about ability.
Exactly.
I can speak English.
Perfect.
I can cook.
Very good.
Although that last one might not be completely true.
Caleb.
I can make toast.
Okay, we'll give you that one.
Thank you.
But can is also incredibly useful when you're asking someone for something.
Like, can you help me?
Exactly.
Can you open the window?
Can you send me the file?
Can you save me some pizza?
That last one is very important.
Very important.
With friends and people you know well, can sounds natural and friendly.
But then we have could.
Right.
And many learners wonder what's the difference.
One very useful difference is politeness.
So instead of saying, can you help me, I can say, could you help me?
Yes, both are correct, but could often sounds a little softer and more polite.
So if I'm talking to my best friend, can you pass me that phone?
Perfect.
But if I'm asking someone I don't know very well, could you pass me that phone, please?
Exactly.
It's such a small change.
But small changes can make your English sound much more natural.
I like that.
Now let's move to should.
Advice time.
Yes, should is your friendly advice word.
So if my friend says I'm exhausted, I can say, you should get some sleep.
Perfect.
You should take a break.
Exactly.
You should stop working at midnight.
That sounds like excellent advice.
Thank you.
And notice that you're not giving an order.
Right, I'm giving a suggestion.
That's why should is so useful in everyday conversations.
What about might?
Might is fantastic when something is possible, but you're not completely sure.
So if I say I might go out tonight, it means I haven't decided yet.
Exactly.
Maybe I'll go.
Maybe you won't.
The future is still a mystery.
Exactly.
So I could say I might watch a movie tonight.
Yes.
I might meet some friends.
Yes.
I might stay home and do absolutely nothing.
Honestly, that sounds like a great weekend plan.
Thank you. So remember this simple idea.
Can is useful for ability, permission, and casual requests.
Could can make requests and suggestions sound softer and more polite.
Should is useful when giving advice.
And might is useful when something is possible but not certain.
Easy, right?
Much easier than staring at a grammar chart.
Now, let's imagine it's Thursday afternoon.
My favorite time of the week.
Because the weekend is coming?
Exactly.
Your friend asks, what are you doing this weekend?
I might go shopping.
Good.
I might visit my cousin.
Good.
Or I might stay home and watch movies.
Also good.
What if I want to suggest something to my friend?
You can use could.
We could go to the beach.
Great.
We could try that new restaurant.
Perfect.
We could meet for coffee.
Exactly.
And it feels less forceful than saying we are going to the restaurant.
Yes. We could go sounds like you're opening an idea for discussion.
So my friend can say, that sounds great.
Or, I'm not really in the mood for that.
And nobody feels pressured.
Exactly.
What if I'm not sure about the weather?
You can say, it might rain.
So, it might rain, so we could go somewhere indoors.
That is a very natural sentence.
Look at that. We just used might and could together.
And that happens all the time in real English.
It might be busy, so we could go early.
Perfect.
She might be late, so we could wait for her.
Exactly.
The restaurant might be full, so we could make a reservation.
Very natural.
These words are really useful because real life is full of uncertainty.
Absolutely. We rarely know exactly what will happen.
We make guesses.
We make suggestions.
We change our plans.
We ask for help.
We give advice.
And these little modal verbs help us do all of that naturally.
Let's imagine my friend comes to me and says, "Caleb, I'm always tired.
Okay, what would you say?
You should sleep more.
Good.
You should stop using your phone so late at night.
Very good.
You should take some time to relax."
Great.
But what if I say, "You must sleep more"?
That sounds much stronger.
So should is softer.
Usually, yes.
Should sounds like advice.
Right.
Must sounds like something is necessary or extremely important.
Exactly.
For example, you must wear a seatbelt.
That sounds like a rule.
You must show your passport at the airport.
Another strong requirement.
But we can also use must when we're excited about something.
Yes, this is something English learners sometimes find surprising.
If you watch an amazing movie, you can tell your friend, "You must watch this."
Exactly.
It doesn't mean I'm giving my friend a serious order.
It means I strongly recommend it.
So if I say, "You must try this cake,"
I understand that you really, really like the cake.
very important information.
Extremely important.
But for normal friendly advice, should is often a great choice.
Yes.
You should try this cafe.
Friendly.
You should watch that show.
Friendly.
You should take a break.
Supportive.
You must take a break.
Now you sound like their boss.
Right.
So think about the feeling behind the sentence, not just the grammar. Now let's talk about one of the most useful situations, asking for help.
This is where can and could become very important.
Exactly.
Imagine I'm at a hotel.
Okay.
I need another towel.
What do you say?
Can I have another towel, please?
Perfect.
Or could I have another towel, please?
Also perfect.
Is could more polite?
It can sound a little more formal or polite, yes.
So at a cafe, I could say, "Could I get a glass of water, please?"
Very natural.
At home, I can say, "Can you give me some water?"
Exactly.
What about asking permission?
Can works very naturally for that too.
Can I sit here?
Yes.
Can I use your charger?
Yes.
Can I borrow your jacket?
Yes.
And could?
Could I ask you a quick question?
That sounds polite.
Very polite.
Could I leave a little early today?
Good.
Could I use your phone for a moment?
Perfect.
So if you're unsure, could is often a safe choice when you want your request to sound polite.
Exactly.
And please remember, your tone matters too.
Very much. Saying, could you help me with a friendly voice sounds completely different from saying it angrily. Grammar can't save you from a terrible attitude.
That should be today's quote.
It really should. And if you're enjoying this lesson, take a quick second to support English with Rosmi.
Hit the like button if you're learning something useful today.
And if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss our next English conversation.
We'd also love to hear from you in the comments.
Write one sentence using might.
For example, I might watch a movie tonight.
Or make your own sentence about your weekend.
Maybe you might go shopping.
Maybe you might visit a friend.
Maybe you might sleep until noon.
No judgment here.
We're just practicing English.
Pocket phrases. And now it's time for one of our favorite sections.
Pocket phrases.
These are expressions you can remember and use in real conversations.
Instead of memorizing a long grammar explanation, learn the whole phrase.
Exactly.
So what's our first pocket phrase?
Could you?
Very useful.
You can use it when asking someone to do something politely.
Could you send me the address?
Could you wait for me?
Could you explain that again?
Great.
What's number 2?
You should.
Our advice phrase.
Exactly.
You should try this restaurant.
You should get some rest.
You should practice speaking every day.
That last one is especially important.
I agree.
Number 3 is I might.
Perfect for talking about possible plans.
I might go out tonight.
I might call her later.
I might start learning Spanish someday.
One language at a time, Roz.
Okay.
What's number 4?
We could.
Great for suggestions.
We could get coffee.
We could watch a movie.
We could meet tomorrow.
And our final pocket phrase,
I'd love to.
I love this one.
It's a warm way to accept an invitation or show enthusiasm.
Do you want to come with us?
I'd love to.
Would you like to join us for dinner?
I'd love to.
Do you want to practice English with me?
I'd love to.
That one is perfect for this channel.
Absolutely.
Now it's time to smooth out some sentences.
This is where we take English that sounds a little stiff and make it more natural.
Let's start.
Imagine someone says, tomorrow I go to the cinema maybe.
I understand the meaning.
But we can make it smoother.
I might go to the movies tomorrow.
Exactly.
Much more natural.
Another one.
You need take a break.
We can say,
You should take a break.
perfect.
Or if it's a serious requirement, you must take a break.
Right. The meaning changes depending on the situation.
Next one.
Can you please to send me the picture?
Ah, the extra to.
Exactly.
After can or could, we don't use to.
So say, can you please send me the picture?
Or could you please send me the picture?
Perfect.
One more.
Maybe I will come to your party.
That's understandable.
But a natural option is,
I might come to your party.
exactly.
Shorter.
Smoother.
More conversational.
And that's what we want. Now let's put everything together in a real conversation.
Imagine it's Friday afternoon and we're two friends making plans for Saturday.
Listen carefully and see if you can notice all the modal verbs.
Ready?
Let's go.
Hey Rose, are you free tomorrow?
I think so. Why?
I was thinking we could do something fun.
That sounds good. What did you have in mind?
We could go to the new cafe near the park.
Oh, I've heard about that place. We should definitely try it.
Great. They have outdoor seating too.
Nice. But it might rain tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah, that's what the weather app says.
We could still go if the weather is okay.
True, or we could make another plan just in case.
Good idea. We might go to the mall instead.
I'd love to do that.
Perfect. What time should we meet?
Maybe around 2?
2 works for me.
Great. Could you send me the location later?
Of course, I can send it tonight.
Thanks.
No problem. Oh, and you should bring an umbrella.
You're really worried about that rain.
I am.
Okay, I'll bring one.
Perfect. And if it doesn't rain, we could walk around the park after lunch.
That sounds like a great plan.
I'm already excited.
Me too. Did you notice how many times we use these small words?
We used could to make suggestions.
We used might to talk about possibilities.
We used should to give advice.
And we use can and could when asking for things.
None of the sentences were complicated.
That's the important part.
You don't need extremely advanced vocabulary to sound natural.
You need useful words that you can actually use.
And you need to practice them in context.
Exactly.
So instead of memorizing, could is the past form of can in certain contexts.
Please don't start a grammar lecture now.
Okay.
Instead, remember, could you help me?
We could go tomorrow.
You should try it.
I might go.
Can you help me?
I can do it.
These are real sentences you can take into your everyday conversations. Before we finish, let's do a quick speaking challenge.
I love these.
I'm going to give you a situation.
And you create a sentence.
Situation number 1, your friend is tired.
Give them advice using should.
You could say, you should get some rest.
Situation number 2, your friend asks what you're doing tonight.
You're not sure yet.
Use might.
I might stay home tonight.
Situation number 3, you want to suggest going somewhere with your friend.
Use could.
We could go out for dinner.
Situation number 4, you need someone to help you.
Use could.
Could you help me with this?
And situation number 5, someone invites you somewhere and you're excited.
Say,
I'd love to.
excellent.
Now make your own 5 sentences.
Say them out loud.
Don't just read them silently.
Your mouth needs practice too.
Exactly.
So let's quickly review what we learned today.
Can is useful for ability, permission, and everyday requests.
Could can make requests sound more polite and can also help you make suggestions.
Should is great for giving advice.
Might helps you talk about something that is possible but uncertain.
And remember our 5 pocket phrases.
Could you?
You should,
I might.
we could,
And
I'd love to.
if you can use these naturally, your everyday conversations will already feel much easier.
And don't worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
The goal isn't to speak perfect English immediately.
The goal is to become a little more comfortable every time you speak.
1 sentence today,
Another sentence tomorrow.
and before you know it, you're having a real conversation.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today here on English with Rosme.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
And leave a comment using one of today's modal verbs.
Tell us what you might do this weekend,
Or tell us something your friends should do.
or suggest something we could do.
We'll be reading your comments.
And remember, keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
Your English doesn't have to be perfect to be understood.
You just need to keep using it.
We'll see you in the next episode of English with Rosme.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.